So, starting in late on the filming. What the heck? Most of these parts I do have cleaned up for the most part. Now it's kind of just piecing together and figuring out what I want to do for drivetrain. So old tires are all old, cracked. So I'm gonna put some new tires on, and so new tires, new tubes, and new seat, bar tape, that kind of thing. Yeah, I just took the bike down, cleaned everything. New bearings in the headset, and bottom bracket. Switched to like a cartridge style bottom bracket, which is gonna cause some problems with the cable guide. Tire spins, because they have nowhere to be seen. Okay, there we go. Cool look. I like the brown wall. Okay, so bike came with orange cable housings, and that's kind of lame. So I got these silver that I think will go nicely with the colors chosen. If I can get it to go. Now that we got that through, we need to reinstall this. I'll have to readjust this when I get it on the ground to get the tension right, but just to get the handlebars and all of that installed, it should do the job. So, for brake levers, we got these Origin 8. I kind of like the brown and then the holes in them, and kind of look like some of the older ones I'd seen. single speed here. We have our rear wheel with on the hub is it's a free wheel, so basically the hub is threaded. So we need this piece right here, which is your cog, which has the kind of ratcheting mechanism in it. But I ran into the problem that when I put this on and I put the bike or the wheel on the bike, chain line's not great, so I need to space this out a little bit. And I think you can buy spacers, but I didn't really get around to doing that, so I just real quick 3D printed some. That's not the right one. It took a couple tries to get it right, but I wanted to get the size right so there was no play. Oh, there it is. So now I can put that on there, and it is a little snug there. And now we will thread this on. And I don't think the plastic will survive all that long. It's more of a figure out what size of spacers I need. So it will probably break, but I'm curious. So just gonna try to write it. Okay, so we are all done. Time to test it out.